I discovered it yesterday, so I implemented it right away on my blog. It's the fact to link your table of content with your sections of your article with 2 CSS lines. I find it mind-blowing because before you had to use an intersection observer, know the distance between the different section, link the table of content with the article, and it was sometimes pain in the ass. If you had a small section, it could make some conflicts on your table of content. Here, 2 lines of CSS makes the link impeccable. And to show you how it's done, okay. So yeah, this is my table of content. I have a UL with all my links in it. So each of my links has an href that links to a title of my page, to an ID. Each of my titles have a specific ID, and each of my links link to the title. And in the code, I just have to add a scroll target group to my UL, the container of all my links, and this will tell to the browser that this will be all of my links, all of my titles will be linked to the UL, and then with that you have a new property, target current, that will say when you are on this specific target, you will style it. So when you check here, I'm in the layering in this chapter, this title, and the table of content is really pointing to the place I'm at. If I scroll up a bit, I'm in the build a tiny recipe now. If I scroll, pick a single light source, and it's really functional, and it's
the two-way wasn't before that you had to do by hand. So the two-way with the target current highlights the current in the list. That's freaking cool. That's really lovely. Yeah.
And regarding the support, is not awesome yet. If we check, it's 65% without support on Safari and Firefox. But like I said, progressive enhancement on my blog, it's not big deal if user don't see the table of content updates. It's better if they have it, but it's not a big deal. So I use it without a fallback, and I say, if you see it, great. If you don't see it, it's okay.
It's still like that. That's going to be a good replacement for lots of JavaScript out.